My dear young friends, as you all know, we are at a crucial stage amidst the COVID 19 pandemic. While we celebrate this momentous occasion, let us all salute the frontline health workers, the doctors, the nurses, technicians, transporters, police personnel, emergency medical technologists, pharmacists, and everyone, including the journalists who supported patient care during this pandemic, being prepared to risk their own health and life. I understand that your institution had provided a separate block for the COVID patients. I am also happy that your institution has been chosen to conduct ICMR vaccine trials and has also served as a testing center for COVID since early April 2020. Dear graduates, you should feel proud of your alma mater, which has a great legacy to bestow upon you. You must make your parents and teachers proud of your achievements, be it in your profession or higher education and research. Education is the key to success in life, and teachers make a long lasting impact in the lives of their students. It is important for the personal, social, and economic development of the nation as well to live with happiness and prosperity. Education empowers minds that will be able to conceive good thoughts and ideas. Education also enables students to do an accurate analysis while making choices for life. Our beloved Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has great confidence in the power of the youth and rightly believes that they are the biggest national asset that we have. Youth being a demographic dividend of our country, the next 5 to 10 years are expected to be a kind of golden era for India. I urge all of you to move with great self confidence and zeal to achieve the glory that is due for India. While aggression is important in modern life, I sincerely believe that we should follow the Gandhian philosophy which touches all aspects of life. Our youth should imbibe Gandhiji's teachings to create a better and just society. My dear young doctors, the convocation ceremony conducted today marks the culmination of your efforts and transition from students to professional readiness to serve society. I urge you to be passionate about your chosen profession, demonstrate integrity, follow ethical standards, and always be willing to be familiar with the technological developments taking place continuously in your chosen field of profession and be a lifelong learner. A lifelong commitment to going forward is essential, and you must always look to give back to your alma mater. A great future beckons you. If you work hard and honestly to give your best in anything that has been entrusted to you, please note that success and reward shall not accrue in a single day. In India, there is an old saying that doctors are second to God on this earth. The great Voltaire once said, "Those who are occupied in the restoration of health to others by the joint exertion of skill and humanity are above all the great people of the earth. They even partake of divinity, since to preserve and renew is almost as noble to create